Hello, I'm Kate Brown. I'm an attachment-based psychoanalytic psychotherapist. I'm looking forward to being at the Manchester Institute of Psychotherapy's conference in November 2019. I'm giving a workshop on hope in the transference. This workshop explores the dilemmas and dangers surrounding times in our clinical encounters when patients begin to hope. Winnicott famously wrote about hate in the transference, but what happens when hope rather than hate emerges? Linking attachments theory's understanding of internal working models to the capacity to have realistic hopes and resilience, the importance of hope in the clinical encounter emerges. Clinical examples of times when hope might be misplaced and expressed through idealization are given. The importance of being specific about what it is that is hoped for becomes apparent in order to address pervading sense of hopelessness. How a person's earlier relationships shape their capacity to hope realistically is explained. The workshop then addresses how a therapist's own internal working models may influence the clinical work with patients struggling with issues connected to the capacity to hope. How institutional environments can help or hinder the fostering of hope in the clinical encounter is also discussed. The workshop also addresses the question of whether it is always important for a patient and therapist to have a hopeful attitude, how to cope when hope is thwarted, and how building a secure therapeutic relationship in which it is possible to begin to have realistic hopes for one's life is made possible are all questions explored in the workshop. Many thanks. I hope to see you there.